Hi and welcome to my channel. My name is Mecca if you are new here, and today I am going to be doing my 7-month lock update. Okay, super excited to be here, super grateful. Lots of changes in my opinion. So yeah, let's jump right into what the end of month 7 has brought. Because again, my locaversary is on March 1st. If you are interested in seeing the whole journey, subscribe to my channel and check out my earlier videos. But let's just hop right into it. Front is pretty neat. I did my retie not that long ago. This would have been maybe 3 days or so after the retie. And I'm always kind of shocked at how good the parts look, honestly. So just giving you guys a little close-up of that. And as you can see, one of the things I've noticed is definitely some growth on those shorter pieces in the front. What's interesting though is that as my hair kind of shrinks, those are a bit more noticeable, even though I can tell that they're growing and thickening up. Just the nature of the rest of the head shrinking makes the short pieces look even shorter. So that's something that I'm still trying to just get used to, because I feel like the back, as you can see, is super long and just really strong and healthy looking. So I really want the front to catch up. You know, with locks, everything's just a waiting game. So yeah, one of the changes for sure is I feel like the majority of my head is budding at this point. Like I can pretty much go to any area and feel budding, so that's nice. Another thing is, considering that I retied my hair the week this was shot, or finished my retie the week this was shot, I'm kind of shocked at how thick it looks, because normally my locks look really flat after a retie. So I feel like it is kind of getting some more volume this month, which is super nice. My scalp feels pretty healthy. One thing though, as you may or may not notice in this video, is I feel like I have actually a bit of buildup in my locks. So I had previously mentioned that I wasn't really on a wash routine the last couple months, and I don't recommend that. I had started my retie and just noticed, one, that my hair was kind of getting dirtier faster, and that there were just flakes in the locks now that are getting harder and harder to get out. So I think we're gonna have to do some type of a rinse, like an ACV rinse. But if anybody else has any suggestions, let me know, because yeah, that's definitely not cute. I don't even think it's necessarily like dirt, just, you know, just a consequence of not being on a schedule or not washing enough. Things just kind of build up. So I have one change that has happened is I am back to washing once a week. I've had a lot less marrying at the roots, still a little bit of marrying, but not nearly as much as I used to have. So that was another positive update that I saw this month. So yeah. And yeah, so this is another view. You can kind of see what I'm talking about with the edges, just being such a different length and so different from the other parts. And yep, here are some close-ups of the ends. As you can see, I still have my curly ends. Two-strand twist pattern is still there, but honestly, to me, it's getting less and less visible. But you can still tell that these were started with two-strand twists for now. And guys, I got a gray hair. This month, I got a gray hair. I have been stressed. I'm only 23. It's kind of crazy, but what can you do? At least my locks have some color now, right? All right, my loves, well, that is all for today's 7-month update. Let me know what you guys think, what you're thinking of my lock journey so far, and any questions, ideas, or suggestions you might have going forward. But I just thought it'd be really cool to show you guys where we're at. Like I said, my locaversary is March 1st. That was the day of my final install. So we're coming on to month 8 real quick, and that means a year is coming soon. So I'm just super excited. Shrinkage mistakes, all of it. It's still the best decision I made for my hair, and I do plan on doing some more videos to go more in depth about some of the pros and cons, honestly, of if you were thinking about starting this journey yourself. So if you guys enjoyed this, please continue to like, comment, and subscribe, and just look out for more content. Bye.
Good day in my mind, safe to take a step out, get some air now, let your edge out. To some iceberg, you'll be heavy in my mind. Can you get the heck out? I need rest now, got me bummed out. You big.